Hi, today we are going to learn about a very important protection device used in power transformers, the Buchholz relay. If you have ever wondered how transformers are protected against internal faults, this video is for you. Buchholz relay was invented by Max Buchholz in 1921. It is installed in oil-filled transformers for protection against all kinds of faults. The relay is a gas actuated. That means it requires gas for its operation. Just like current is required for the operation of overcurrent relay and voltage is required for the operation of overvoltage relay. Buchholz relay not operate due to any electrical parameters. It actuates only due to gas. Therefore, it is also called as mechanical actuated relay. Buchholz relay is generally used for oil-filled transformers whose rating is above 500 kVA. This relay performs two major functions. First, it is used to give an alarm in case of incipient faults. We can say that it gives an alarm when there is a less severe condition. Incipient faults are minor faults that occur in transformer and may gradually develop into more serious issue if not addressed promptly. For example, minor overheating or insulation degradation. Second function of the Buchholz relay, it is used to give signal to the trip circuit when there is a severe internal fault, like short circuit. Hence, it is used to disconnect the circuit from the supply. Buchholz relay is installed on the pipe which is used to connect the transformer main tank and the conservator tank. Now, we will see construction and working of Buchholz relay in detail. It has mainly two elements. The upper element consists of a float. The float is attached to a hinge in such a way that it can move up and down depending upon the oil level in the Buchholz relay. One mercury switch is fixed on the float. This mercury switch is used for activating the alarm. The lower element consists of a flap and the mercury switch on it, which energizes the trip circuit. A release cock is attached at the top side of the Buchholz relay. Gas sample is collected from this cock to perform the investigation of fault. By doing the analysis of gas sample, we come to know the type of fault. A drain cock is attached at the bottom of the Buchholz relay to drain the oil. Now we will see working of Buchholz relay. At the time of normal operating condition, temperature of the oil is also normal and therefore gas produced by the transformer oil is not sufficient to operate the relay. Now suppose an incipient fault occurs in the transformer. Due to the fault, oil will get decomposed and heated. So it will produce gas like hydrogen, methane, ethane and carbon dioxide. The gases produced are lighter than air. Therefore, it will move upward and enters at the upper portion of the Buchholz relay. Due to accumulation of the gases, oil level in the Buchholz relay starts reducing and therefore float will also tilt with reduced oil level. Mercury is highly conductive element. In mercury switch, it acts as a connecting wire. At the time of normal condition, the mercury inside the switch is not connecting both the contacts. So, circuit is open. When float tilted after the fault, mercury switch also moves. Therefore, mercury connects both the contacts and circuit close. Therefore, it will give alarm to the operator. In case of severe faults, gas formation is rapid and large amount of gas rush from transformer to Buchholz relay. During its travel, the gas produces sufficient pressure on the flap, so the flap turns in the anti-clockwise direction. The mercury switch also tilts and mercury level inside the mercury switch shifts, which will close the trip circuit contacts. Therefore, trip signal is produced which cause operation of the circuit breaker. Circuit breaker will open its contacts and transformer will switch off. So friends, that was all about the Buchholz relay, a small device with a big role in the transformer protection. I hope you understood its construction and working. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more engineering content. Till time, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.